Good morning, children. Myself, Priyanka Best. Today I will teach you Mathematics, Class 2, topic Measuring Mass. Children, what is mass? The mass of a thing tells us how heavy it is. The mass of a thing tells us how heavy it is. Mass is commonly called weight. Mass is commonly called weight. The more mass something has, the more is its weight. Children, the more mass something has, the more is its weight. Children, we use various non-standard units to measure the mass of different objects. Children, whether an object is heavier or lighter than the other, we use a simple balance. So children, to compare the weight of two objects, we use a simple balance. Children, the picture shown on the screen is a picture of a balance. As you can see here, it has two pans. When nothing is put on the pans, these remain in the same level. Children, it is similar to a seesaw. Now children, let us understand it in a better way by looking at a few examples. Now children, this is a balance and let us put the apple on one pan and pumpkin on the other pan. Now we see that the pan containing the pumpkin goes down and the other pan containing apple goes up. Children, this means that the pumpkin is heavier than the apple. Okay, so the pan containing heavier objects goes down. So children, the apple weighs less than the pumpkin. Now children, what happens when the objects have equal weights? Okay, look at this example. Now children, let us put the apple on one pan and two bananas on the other pan. We see that the pan containing the apple and the two bananas will remain in the same level. So this means that the weight of an apple is equal to the weight of two bananas. Okay, it means the apple and the bananas weigh the same. Okay, children? Children, now let's do some questions. Question 1 given on page number 127. Complete the balance to show which side is heavier. Children, here in this question, you have to see which side is heavier and then you have to complete the balance. Okay, so let's do. Now children, look at the first part A. Here you will see that there is a burger on one pan and there's a juice bottle on other pan. Okay, so when you kept both the items on a balance, you will see that the pan containing juice goes down and the pan containing burger goes up. This means that the juice bottle is heavier than the burger. Okay children? So it means the juice bottle weighs more than the burger. Now children, look at the next part B. Here you will see that in one pan there are two oranges and in other pan there is one orange. Okay, so we'll see that the pan containing two oranges goes down. It means this side is heavier than the side which containing one orange. Okay, so this means the weight of two oranges is more than the weight of one orange. Okay. Now children, your homework is do question 1 part C and D in your book. Thank you.